Apple cider vinegar, ACV, has been touted as a miracle remedy for a variety of health issues, including weight loss. But what is the real reason behind its effectiveness? We will explore the science and benefits of ACV in aiding weight loss in a simple and engaging manner. What is apple cider vinegar? Fermented juice from crushed apples. Contains acetic acid, vitamins, and minerals. Types of apple cider vinegar. Raw and unfiltered versus filtered. Mother of vinegar. Historical uses. Traditional remedy for various ailments. Used in cooking and preservation. How apple cider vinegar works. 1. Acetic acid and its benefits. Role of acetic acid. Primary active component in ACV. Provides the tangy taste and strong smell. Metabolism boost. Enhances enzyme production. Increases metabolic rate. 2. Appetite suppression. Satiety hormones. Increases levels of hormones like GLP-1. Reduces hunger and cravings. Slower gastric emptying. Delays the process of food leaving the stomach. Leads to feeling full longer. 3. Blood sugar regulation. Insulin sensitivity. Improves the body's response to insulin. Helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Post-meal blood sugar levels. Reduces spikes in blood sugar after eating. Prevents crashes that can lead to overeating. 4. Fat storage reduction. Fat burning. Increases genes that promote fat breakdown. Reduces fat storage in the liver and abdomen. Fat accumulation inhibition. Prevents the formation of new fat cells. Enhances the process of lipolysis. 5. Digestive health. Probiotics and enzymes. Contains beneficial bacteria. Aids in digestion and nutrient absorption. Detoxification. Helps flush out toxins. Supports liver health. Scientific studies and evidence. 1. Clinical trials and research. Weight loss studies. Overview of key studies showing weight loss benefits. Results and conclusions from scientific research. Blood sugar studies. Evidence supporting blood sugar regulation benefits. Key findings from clinical trials. 2. Real-life examples. Success stories. Testimonials from people who have lost weight with ACV. Practical insights and tips from their experiences. How to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. 1. Dosage and timing. Recommended dosage. Typical daily intake suggestions. Importance of not exceeding recommended amounts. When to take ACV. Best times to consume ACV for maximum benefits. Pre-meal versus post-meal consumption. 2. Methods of consumption. Dilution in water. Simple recipe for ACV drink. Tips for improving taste. Incorporating into meals. Adding ACV to salads, marinades, and dishes. Creative ways to include ACV in your diet. 3. Precautions and side effects. Potential side effects. Risks of overconsumption. Possible digestive discomfort. Safety tips. Dilution importance to protect teeth and stomach. Consulting with a healthcare provider. Complementary lifestyle changes. 1. Healthy diet. Balanced nutrition. Importance of a well-rounded diet. Foods that complement ACV benefits. Portion control. Mindful eating practices. Tips for managing portion sizes. 2. Regular exercise. Exercise benefits. Role of physical activity in weight loss. Types of exercises to pair with ACV consumption. Creating a routine. Tips for staying consistent with workouts. Importance of combining cardio and strength training. 3. Mindful eating and habits. Mindfulness practices. Techniques to stay mindful during meals. Reducing stress-related eating. Habit formation. Building sustainable healthy habits. Strategies for long-term success. Conclusion. Apple cider vinegar can be a helpful tool in your weight loss journey, thanks to its ability to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, regulate blood sugar, reduce fat storage, and improve digestion. However, it's essential to use it wisely and combine it with a healthy lifestyle for the best results. By understanding how ACV works and incorporating it into your daily routine, you can achieve your weight loss goals more effectively. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks.